In math class with me, Miss Tia. Today we are going to study about symmetry. Prepare your textbook and your pencil. Let's start. First of all, we are going to identify the symmetric figures. So what is symmetric figures? If you see, there are two pictures in number 1. Okay, symmetric figures. Okay, how do we know symmetric figures? You have to know there is a line over here. This line, we call it as a line of symmetry. Okay, what is the function of this line? So if you have this kind of paper and then you fold it, okay, so it's gonna be half over here and then half over here. If you fold it, this side will fit exactly to this side, and then on this is the part, this is your folding side. Okay, this is your folding line. Okay, we call it as a line of symmetry. Once again, this half will fit exactly to the other half. If it's fit exactly to the other half, we call it as a symmetric figures. So on the second picture also, we can see that this half fit exactly to the other side, right? So these two figures are symmetric figures. On question 2, look at the second picture here, figure A. If we fold it, it fits exactly, so we can call this picture as symmetric figures. On number 3 here, we have figure B. If you put the line of symmetry over here, or you fold it in this side, okay, so what happened next? This halves, okay, because this is smaller than the other half, so this half is not fit exactly to this side. So if we draw, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, it's not fit exactly, so we cannot call it as a symmetric figure. Okay, on number 4, we have 4 pictures here. Look at the instruction here. To find out, check if each figure has a line of symmetry. You can trace and cut out each figure. Okay, now if you check figure P over here, and then you want to put the line of symmetry here, unfortunately this half is smaller than the other halves. Is it symmetric figures? Of course not. Okay, besides it fits exactly, the size must be the same. Okay, I repeat, these halves will fit exactly to another half if the size is similar. Okay, if you check figure Q over here, then you put the line of symmetry over here. Okay, this is a rectangle, right? Of course, we can say this half is exactly the same with the other halves, so it will fit, right? Because it fits, so of course this is symmetric figure. Okay, this is symmetric figure. Next, question R. Okay, where will we put the line of symmetry? How if we put it here? Okay, if we put it here, is it symmetric figures? Let's check. This area will be in this area. This part will be in this part, right? This side will be in this side. Of course, this one will be over here. So because it fit exactly to another half, we can call this as symmetric figure. Question S. Picture S, if we put the line of symmetry here or we fold it in the middle here, I can make you sure that this will fit exactly. So is this symmetric? Yes, it's symmetric figure. How about question T? Where will we put the line of symmetry? Here? Even though we put it here, look at the size. Look at the size. Another half is bigger than the other half, so it will not fit exactly. So is this symmetry? No. So this is not symmetric figure. Question number 5, the letter P and S below are not symmetric figures. Why? Let's check. If we fold it, okay, if it's not fit exactly, right? On question 6, which of these are not symmetric figure? Look at figure A. If we put the line of symmetry here, this half is having the same size with another half. Is this symmetric? Yes. Okay, B, look at this one. If we put it here, oh, this area supposed to be, the picture will be like this, right? Okay, but is it symmetric? No, this is not symmetric. C, if you fold, oh, this halves will meet another half. Is this symmetric? Yes. D, let's check D. Is it symmetric figure? Let's check. Oh yeah, it meets on the other half, so it's symmetric. F, if you put it like this, is it symmetric? No. J, the same, it's not, right? Number 7, which of these figures are symmetric? And then you circle it. To help you to find out the symmetric figure, you can put the line of the symmetry. For A, I'm gonna help you. Let's put the line of the symmetry here. So we will divide the picture of this person into 2 equal sizes. Okay, look at this one. Oh, is it symmetric? Yes, so we circle it. Okay, how about C? Let's put the line of the symmetry. Okay, if you put the line of the symmetry, something is different. Which one? Oh, over here we cannot find the halves for this part, and then this one you cannot find it below here because you cannot find it here, or it's not fit exactly, so you cannot circle it. Why? Because this is not symmetric. Question B and D, you find out by yourself. Question number 8, which of these objects below are symmetric? And then we circle it. Okay, let's put. How if we put the line of symmetry here? Is it symmetric? No, not. Okay, how about this one? Oh, what is this? Let's put the line of the symmetry here. Is it symmetric? Yes. So we circle it. Let's put the circle. Okay, I'm gonna help you with this one. Oh, this picture. Let's put the line of the symmetry. Let's put it here in the middle, guys. I'm so sorry I cannot make it straight, but you can make it straight with your ruler. Oh, is it symmetric? Yes. Because it's symmetric, you circle it. Okay, the rest, find it by yourself. Question 9, which of these are symmetric figures? Again, to find out the symmetric figures, you need to use the line of the symmetry. On picture A, where will we put the line of the symmetry? You want to put it here. Okay, if you put it here, you have to check if the half of the picture, okay, has the equal sizes with the other half. Okay, if this one, no, it's not having, both of them are different. So is it symmetric? No, it's not. B, let's put the line of the symmetry here in the middle, right? And then when we check it, when we put it in the middle, we find out that another half has the same sizes with the other half. So is it symmetric figure? Yes. Okay, let's circle it. Don't forget. Next, question G. I'm gonna help you with question G. Let's put the line of the symmetry here. Line of the symmetry here. Okay, put it in the middle. Okay, I'm so sorry I cannot draw it well. Okay, so is it symmetric between one half to another half? Yes. So you circle it because this is symmetric. Number 10. Anita drew the picture below using the drawing tools in her computer. How many symmetric figures can you find in her pictures? Oh, it's easy. Let's find out. I'm gonna help you with the sun. Okay, to find out symmetric figures, once again, you need to check the line of the symmetry. Let's put it here. If we put it here and then we fold this sun, okay, the picture of the sun, what do you think? Is it symmetric? Yes. So you put this is the first one. And then let's check the other one. How about the boy? Let's check the boy. Okay, you put the line of the symmetry here. Line of the symmetry here. Make it straight. And then you check. Do the halves here and the other side has the same sizes? If it's yes, so it's symmetric. So you find out another symmetric figures. Lesson 2. Identifying lines of symmetry. So look at the first figure here, figure A. Fold figure A along the dotted lines as shown. Okay, it's gonna be easier for you if you have origami paper, or you just use the usual paper, the common paper, A4 paper, and then you fold like this, right? When you fold it, the folding side, the folding part, this one we call it as the line of symmetry. And then number 2, this is vertically, this is horizontally. Is it, if it's fit exactly to the other side, we can call this line of symmetry, this line as the line of the symmetry. So in rectangle, if you see the figure A is a rectangle, right? In rectangle, how many lines of symmetry do we have? We have 2 lines of symmetry. It means each figure can have one or more than 1 line of symmetry. On picture 3 here, how if we put the line of the symmetry here? Even though we put the line of the symmetry here and the sizes are similar, but when you fold it, it's not fit exactly. Because it's not fit exactly, is this line of the symmetry? No, it's not. I repeat, because when you fold it and it's not fit exactly to the other half, this line is not line of symmetry. You understand? So if you want to put the line of the symmetry diagonally like this is not line of symmetry for rectangle. Number 4, how if we move the line of the symmetry a bit to the other side? And then when you fold it, we can find out that it's not fit exactly. Because it's not fit exactly, okay? So what happened next? This is not line of symmetry. So the dotted line is not, you may write down, a line of symmetry. Number 5 here. Study the following diagrams of figure X. In each diagram, the dotted lines divide figure X into 2 equal parts. Trace the 4 diagrams of figure X and cut them out. Which of the dotted lines are the lines of symmetry of figure X? Okay, look at figure X here. If we put the line of the symmetry here and then we fold it, what will happen next? It will fit exactly. So this line, AB, this is a line of symmetry. Correct. How about line C and D? Line CD. Line CD, if you check, if we fold it, this half will fit exactly to another half. Right? So what happened? The 2 parts fit exactly. So line CD is line of symmetry. Okay, next. How about line EF? Okay, let's check this one. Line EF, if we fold it, what happened? Check this one. This side is about this long, right? Even though you fold it, what will be happen next? It's not gonna fit exactly. So this one, the 2 parts do not fit exactly. So what happened next? Line EF, it's not line of symmetry. It's not, okay. The next one, we have line G and F. Line G and F, oh, I want to know your answer. Okay, you find out. I'm gonna check later when you submit your. Eddie folds a piece of paper into halves and then he cuts out a figure which starts and ends on the fold lines like this. Eddie unfolds the figure, he gets a symmetric figure like this. Oh, so what happened, guys? So when you fold and then you only cut this area, when you open the folding side, you will find this figure that you made. So what happened next? The fold line over here is a line of symmetry. And then Eddie folds another piece. Usually, guys, you sometimes will do this in art class, right? When you do this in art class, actually you are using the principle of using the line of symmetry. So when you use this method, okay, you fold the paper and then you cut it, okay. When you open the folding part, you will find this cutting. So you are using the principle of using the symmetric line. Okay, now let's check to this side. Each figure below is half of a symmetric shape. Copy the figures onto square grid paper, then complete each symmetric shape with the dotted line as a line of symmetry. I'm gonna help you with question A. How do we do this? Okay, if you check, this is the line of the symmetry, right? You need to draw it from starting from the line of the symmetry. So if you check, this area goes to this side 2 lines, okay, 2 boxes I mean. So you go 2 boxes like this, done, and then it's going down 2 boxes. We follow, okay, 2 boxes, and then go to the left, 1 box, you go to the right, then go down 3 boxes, you go down 3 boxes, done, and then oh, this is the other. Okay, is it? I'm sorry, you can use your ruler. Okay, so this is the symmetric. Easy, right? Okay, I'm gonna help you with question D. This is a bit hard. Okay, once again, you need to draw it. Start from this line of the symmetry. If this part goes down through 2 boxes, so you need to go up 2 boxes. Okay, and then you start from this line. So you make a line like this. Okay, then go 2 over here, make a line again. Okay, and then this one you make a line again. You can use your ruler. Okay, and then this one you make a line again. So you get the symmetric figure. Okay, how about the next one? Mark took 2 rectangular pieces of square grid paper as shown below. He shaded some squares on one half of each paper. Oh, we need to draw it again, but this time we have to shade it. Okay, I'm gonna help you with the first one. So we go 1 box below, go 1 below. Next, we go 2 boxes in this area. Go to the right. Okay, this area 1 boxes only. Then over here we have 3 boxes. Okay, so we have line of symmetry. You can make it better than me. Okay, number 8. Each figure below shows half of a symmetric pattern. Shade the complete each symmetric pattern with the dotted line. Okay, I'm gonna help you which one is difficult. Oh, question D. Okay, over here D. We put 1 boxes here, right? Shape 1, and then we go below with shape 2. Okay, we shape 2. Okay, here, done. Okay, after that, we shape 1 more here, and then another 2 here. Easy, right? Thank you so much, guys. Bye.